So I have new hair extensions that came and then the ones that I already have. So to make it look bulkier or thicker. This is my current hair length. I did get my mum to cut it and thin it out because it was really thick, and I think that made a contribution to how it looked. So I have just washed it. I am going to wash these just so that they look more natural to the actual hair. I haven't washed these since, well, I haven't washed this one since I got it. So I'm going to wash them, dry them, and then I'm going to dry my hair, straighten my hair, and we'll put it all together and see what it looks like. So I've washed one batch, and that is what the water looks like. And that's the one that I worn once for like a couple hours, and that was it. I am going to, I washed it with this, and I'm going to put this mask on it, and then let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, wash it off, and then I'm going to blow dry and straighten. And then I'll do the next pack. Okay, they're all set with their hair mask on. Next I'm going to wash these and do the same process. Right, that's the second batch washed. I'm going to wash off all of the masks on those now. It's been about 15 minutes. And just a comparison, that's the water for the second batch, which is freshly out of the packet. So it looks similar but a little bit better. Okay, the back row I'm going to blow dry and straighten. Well, actually I'll probably just blow dry first, and then I'll come back to these and wash the mask out. And then I'll go back to them and I will straighten, and then I will blow dry these and straighten these. And then I'll get onto my own hair. Now you may ask, what am I using for my hair? I'll be using this heat protectant. Okay, I think I've dried one packet and then the rest are at the back, but I had to have a dinner break, so now I'm back to dry the rest. Right, I've done all of them now. Now I just need to straighten them all and then do my own hair and then add them onto my own hair and see what it looks like. Okay, I've straightened my own hair now. And these are all the extensions straightened. We're near the end, so now it actually looks like real hair, whereas before it was real shiny, so it kind of just looked fake. But now it actually looks like hair. But if the straightness looks too off, I'll have to curl it because that looks the most blended. Put them in and see how they go. I am going to section the bottom half of my hair, and although I have straightened it, I am going to plait it just because it blends in better that way. So I'll do that and I'll be back. Okay, this is what we're looking like. I don't know what it looks like because I can't see it, but it's good enough. So I'm going to put, I think, 2-3 sets in here. One down. 2. We're going to do a row of 4. Maybe we'll do 2 sets of 4 in this one just because I've got quite a lot. How's it looking? I got it to work. Work way up here. It's coming together. Now I'll do the opposite side and I'll be back. So I've put them all in, and obviously you can still tell the difference, especially when you look at it like that. Let's look at the back. It's better than it was when I first tried them on. I wanted them straight because it looks better, but I may have to just curl them. That might be the only way to blend them in. I don't know. You tell me, does it match? Because then when I do this, all these pieces will come forward but none of the actual hair. But then when they do come forward, it looks funny. Okay, I decided, because Mum gave me this little hair curling thing. Looks like this. So we're going to try it out and see if that makes a difference to how it looks. I've never used this before, so I don't know what I'm doing. I think you hold it way up here and then it gets your hair in. So I'm going to start at the back just because then I can like put it to the back and I know what I've done. Picture they start like way up here. Let's see. How the fuck do you hold that? Okay, I'm going to have to figure out how to get it in at the top. Okay, I think I kind of figured it out. You just have to do really small sections and you have to put the hair inside. Hold it, it takes all the hair out. And you do it till it beeps. And then it kind of looks like that. Okay, I've managed to do one side. But I don't know if that looks better. At the front I don't know how to do it so that it's like blending more, because this piece can't go with this piece because it gets too thick and then it won't want to do it. I'm going to try to this side and then we'll come back and see what the end result looks like. It's fully curled. Does it blend better? The front pieces I'm not sure about because I don't know how to do it to like blend it in any better. The other thing is too, it's too thick. The other thing I hate about this thing, every time it jams, it turns itself off, and you have to turn its frickin' self back on. This thing is so hard to use because it's particular, but I do think it does look better though. Like you see, and it just looks obvious. I don't know, let me know what you think. Better than when I first started trying them. I'll show you a picture. I don't know, let me know.